Hello friends, now we see the problem number 10, which is based on rules of differentiation of chapter differentiation. The problem number 10 is if y equal to 1 plus x upon 1 factorial plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x cube upon 3 factorial plus going on, then for this question we have to find dy by dx. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we start with y equal to 1 plus x upon 1 factorial plus x square upon 2 factorial plus x cube upon 3 factorial and plus going on. Now differentiating this function with respect to x, we get the derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to derivative of 1 is 0 plus derivative of x upon 1 factorial is 1 upon 1 factorial plus derivative of x square upon 2 factorial is 2x upon 2 factorial. Derivative of x cube upon 3 factorial is 3x square upon 3 factorial and plus going on. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 factorial gives us 1 plus 2x upon 2 factorial means 2 into 1 plus 3x square upon 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 plus going on. So in this way, on simplifying further, we get dy by dx is equal to 1 plus, here we cancel 2 from numerator denominator, so we have x upon 1 can be written as 1 factorial. Now in the next step, 3 cancel from numerator and denominator, so we left with x square upon 2 into 1, it means 2 factorial and plus going on. It means after differentiation again we get same function. So finally we write dy by dx is equal to y. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.